Okay, class 8, good morning. This is your part 4 video from exercise 11.2 linear equation in one variables. Today we start from question number 11. Okay, the question number 11, the sides of a triangle are 3x plus 7, 4x minus 3 and 5x plus 3. Find sides of the triangle if its perimeter is 55 units. Okay, so you see the side of a triangle given 3x plus 7, 4x minus 3 and 5x plus 3. Okay, so sides are given 3x plus 7, 4x minus 3 and 5x plus 3. Okay, 3x plus 7, 4x minus 3, 5x plus 3. Okay, perimeter means sum of all sides. Okay, it's given for 55. So perimeter equals to 55 given. Okay, so perimeter formula we know that sum of all sides equals to 55. So sum of all sides, that is 3x plus 7 plus 4x minus 3 plus 5x plus 3 equals to 55. Okay, 3x, 4x, 5x, 3, 4, 7, 7, 5, 12x, minus 3 plus 3 cancel, plus 7 equals to 55. So 12x equals to 55 minus 7. Okay, so 12x equals to 48. So x equals to 48 upon 12, that is 4. So we get the value of x equals to 4. So the first side is 3x plus 7. So 3 in place of x we write down 4 plus 7. So 3 4s are 12 plus 7, that is first side is 19 units. Okay, next side is 4x minus 3. So 4 in place of x we write down 4 minus 3, that is 4 4 just 16 minus 3, that is 13 units. Next is 5x plus 3. 5 in place of x we write down 4 plus 3. 5 4s are 20 plus 3, that is 23 units. So we get answer 19, 13 and 23. Okay, note. Now it's time for question number 13. Okay, in question number 13, the width of a rectangle is 3/4 the length if the perimeter is 84 centimeter. Find length and width of rectangle. Okay, the width of rectangle is 3/4 the length. Width, that is breadth, okay, is 3/4 the rectangle. If the perimeter is 84, find length and width of the rectangle. So this is a rectangle, the width is 3/4 of the length. So let the length be x centimeter. Okay, so when length is x centimeter, width is what given? Width is given 3/4 of length. So 3 by 4 into x, so 3x by 4. Width is given 3x by 4. and perimeter is given 84. So perimeter equals to 84 centimeter. We know the formula of perimeter very well, that is 2 into length plus breadth equals to 84. Okay, L plus B, 84 by 2, this into come here, that is divide, so that is 42. So L plus B equals to 42. In place of L we write down x, because we taken length as x plus breadth, that is width, 3x by 4 equals to 42. Okay, take the LCM. 4, 1 divide 4, that is 4, 4 into x, 4x, 4, 4 divide 1, 1 into 3x, that is 3x equals to 42. So 7x equals to, so we write here 7x by 4 equals to 42. So 7x equals to 42 into 4, x equals to 42 into 4 upon 7. So 6 4 ja 24. We get the value of x equals to 24. Okay, so length equals to, we consider x, so length equals to 24 centimeter, when breadth equals to 3x by 4, that is 3 into 24 by 4. So 4 6 ja 24, that is 3 into 6, 18 centimeters. So length is 24 centimeter and breadth is 18 centimeter. Okay, note. Now time for question number 15. In a cinema hall, 300 tickets were sold. The total sale of the tickets was rupees 1250. If the tickets were of two denomination, of rupees 2.50 and rupees 5, how many of each denominations were sold? Okay, read the question very carefully. In a cinema hall, 300 tickets were sold. Total number of tickets is 300. The total sale of the tickets was rupees 1250. Okay, amount collected from the selling of the ticket 1250. If the ticket were two denomination, two price of tickets sold in the counter, that is first price is 2.5, that is 2.5, and another is rupees 5. So how many each denomination were sold? That means find the number of ticket of rupees 2.5, that is 2.5 tickets sold, and 5 rupees tickets sold. Okay, clear? So let two types of ticket. So let 2.50 ticket, 2.5 rupees 2.50 and rupees 5 be X and Y ticket sold respectively. Okay, that means wise 2.5 ticket X selling and 5 rupees ticket Y selling. That means number of ticket sold rupees 5 is Y and number of tickets for rupees 2.5 is sold X. Okay, so X plus Y, that means total tickets is 300. So our first equation is X plus Y, number of ticket, total number of ticket is 300 in question 1 given. Okay, now you sell 2.50 X ticket, that means 2.5 into X plus 5 rupees ticket selling, number of ticket is y. So 5 into y, that is 5y. When you sell 2.5 into x, that means number of ticket, 2.5 ticket is x and 5 rupees ticket is y. You sold number of ticket y. Your total collection is 1250. Again I repeat, total number of tickets is 300. So x plus y equals to 300, because we consider that 2.5 number of ticket we sold x and rupees 5 y ticket we sold. Okay, so this into this plus 5 into y, the total amount collected is 12.50. Okay, so this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Clear? We solve the substitution method. See clearly, x equals to 300 minus y. We get the value of x equals to 300. This plus y goes this side, that is minus y. So 2.5, in place of x we write down 300 minus y. Okay, plus 5y equals to 1250. So 2.5 into 300, that is 750, minus 2.5y plus 5y equals to 1250. So 750 plus minus plus minus, that is 2.5 minus plus 5 is 2.5. So 2.5y equals to 1250. So 2.5y equals to 1250. This 750 goes this side, that is minus 750. So 2.5y 1250 minus 750 is 500. So y equals to 500 by 2.5. So value of y is 200. Okay. $300 minus y value is 200, so x is 100. That means the price of 2.50 ticket sold is 100 and price of 5 rupees ticket sold be 200. So 2.50 ticket sold equals to 100 and rupees 5 ticket sold is 200. Okay, so total number of ticket is 300 and we get 1250. Note. Now time for review time, and again we start from the question number 1 from review time. In question number 1, 2x minus 3 plus half 2x minus 5 equals to 5 by 2. So find the value of x. That means find the value of x. 4 option is given. Option 1, x equals to 2. Option 2, x equals to 1, that is option A. Option B, option C, x equals to 3, and option D, x equals to 4. Okay, so start solving. 3 into 2, that is 6x minus 3 3s are 9 plus 1 2x by 2 minus 1 into 5 5 by 2 equals to 5 by 2. Okay, clear? So this 2 cancel. So 6x minus 9 plus x minus 5 by 2 equals to 5 by 2. So 6x plus 1x, that is 7x equals to 5 by 2. This minus 5 by 2 go this side, that is plus 5 by 2. Minus 9 go this side, that is plus 9. So 7x equals to, taking LCM 2, 5 plus 5 plus 18. Okay, so 7x equals to 5 5 10, that is 28 by 2. So 14. So x equals to 14 by 7. 7 into come this side, that is divide. Okay, so value of x is 2. So our option A is correct. Okay, note.